If you're wondering whether MultipleChat AI is the best new AI software to hit the market, you're not alone. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what makes it stand out and if it's worth your time. And yes, you can try it completely free using the first link in the description below, but there's one surprising use case that most people overlook, and I'll get to that in a minute. So what exactly is MultipleChat AI? In short, it's a powerful, just-released conversational AI tool built for handling multiple simultaneous chat interactions across different platforms, like Messenger, WhatsApp, and even your website. It's built for serious marketers, business owners, and support teams who need an intelligent 24/7 assistant that can scale. First off, setup is incredibly fast. You don't need to be a developer to get this running. It integrates seamlessly with popular CRMs, Zapier, and webhooks, which makes automation almost plug and play. Within 15 minutes, I had it responding to leads on 2 platforms without writing a single line of code. What impressed me most is how human the responses feel. Unlike basic bots that spit out pre-written responses, MultipleChat AI uses advanced natural language processing, so it can handle customer objections, sales inquiries, and even booking conversations without breaking flow. It's like ChatGPT, but trained specifically to convert and support in real time. Another thing that stood out: the branching logic and fallback handling is genuinely smart. If a lead says something unexpected, MultipleChat doesn't just freeze. It redirects, clarifies, and moves the conversation forward. That's a massive upgrade from traditional chatbots. The dashboard is clean and intuitive. You can track every interaction, A/B test different response flows, and even assign certain messages to your team if human takeover is needed. It's built with growth in mind, and for marketers like me, that's gold. One underrated feature is multi-language support. Whether you're running ads in English, Spanish, or German, you can instantly deploy localized conversations that actually sound native. For global teams, this is a game changer. Now here's the part most people miss. MultipleChat AI isn't just for support. It's a conversion tool. I've seen users drive 20–40% more leads just by having the bot respond instantly to ad traffic hitting their page. If you're running paid campaigns, this tool could pay for itself within days. And the pricing, very competitive for the features you get, and again, you can try it 100% free with the first link in the description. There are some limitations. It's not ideal for super long-form conversations or knowledge-heavy queries, where a human is still better. But for what it's built to do, real-time chat across multiple channels, it's probably the best I've tested so far in 2025. I've tested thousands of AI tools, and I keep a short list of the best ones that actually deliver results. You can find those in the description as well, all with free trials to get started. Let me know in the comments how you're planning to use MultipleChat AI, or if there's another tool you think I should cover next.